The text you are going to read for this lesson is called Bring Wind Farms to West Hilbury. This one and the next one are both persuasive texts. If you remember from past years, my guess is you've learned this before, but there are three main reasons for an author to write a text. One of them is to inform. We've read a lot of those where it's information, it's nonfiction, you are taught something. Another one is to entertain. We've read some of those that are often fiction, it's meant for enjoyment, but there's also a third reason, which is to persuade, to convince the reader to do or believe something. The text you started last week about opinions about driverless cars was also a persuasive text that you'll keep reading this week and next week. And then this text that you're going to read for this lesson is also persuading people of something. So, Bring Wind Farms to West Hilbury. Your goal while you're reading is to underline key details. And notice it says look specifically for places where the author states their reasons for wanting wind farms. Okay? I'll give you a clue. Look at the beginning of this paragraph. Look in this paragraph. Okay? Each of these paragraphs has a reason that the author states. So look there if you need some clues about where to look. Make sure you underline at least 3 important details, like it says at the bottom here. And then you're listing 3 facts that the author uses to support her opinion. Because in a persuasive text, okay, we're going with another food analogy. We had pie, now we have Oreo. The author gives their opinion, gives you reasons, and then explains those reasons. So, like I said, in this paragraph, there's a reason. Building and maintaining the wind farms would create jobs for the community. Okay, that's the reason that they're giving. And now they're going to explain that using some facts. Okay, wind energy projects employed more than 101,000 people in 2016, according to a report from the U.S. government. That is a fact that is supporting the opinion that it would create jobs. That is the author explaining the reason that they just gave. Okay? Their opinion is that they should bring wind farms to West Hilbury. That's sort of the overarching opinion that they have. They're giving reason, and then they need to explain each of those reasons using some facts. And that's what you're going to list down at the bottom. Okay? So hopefully that gives you some overarching understanding of persuasive text, getting you to think a certain thing, or at least see a certain side of an argument. Even if you disagree, hopefully you can see, okay, they make some good points. Okay, the next text is going to be some of the other side of it to see the other points. And again, gives the opinion, gives the reasons, and then explains those reasons. Okay, good luck and let me know if you have any questions.